Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. Today in this video I am going to create this look using 11 hacks I have learned through internet, and it's a very special video because today is my birthday and I am collaborating with Sugar Cosmetics for a giveaway, a huge giveaway worth 15,000 rupees for you guys. So there will be 5 winners who will win sugar gifts worth rupees 3,000 each, and if you guys are interested and want to participate in the giveaway, then please keep on watching. So let's start with the primer hack. I like to use a silicone based primer on my T-zone to hide all the pores I have, and I like to just press it down into my skin. Next, I like to use a setting mist to hydrate my skin. Here I'm using the highlighted setting mist. Now to hide my dark circles, pigmentation and dark spots, I am going to use an orange lipstick as color corrector. I am going to apply this under my eyes, around my mouth area to get rid of the darkness, and I am going to blend it with a brush or a sponge as you like. Hack number 3, damping the beauty blender by spraying the setting mist so that blending becomes easy, as the damp beauty blender absorbs the excess product and helps achieve that flawless base. Next, to contour my face, I am going to use hack number 4, which is contouring the face using a brown lipstick. Here I am using Matte as Hell lip crayon and I am going to blend it with a brush, which will give you that flawless finish. Next is hack number 5, and that is filling in your brows. Here I am using an eyeshadow palette and I am going to mix black and brown, both the eyeshadows, and fill in my brows, and you can see the difference. Now I am going to set my brows using the matte setting mist from Sugar Cosmetics so that it stays in place throughout the day. Next hack is very common, and that is using lipstick as your blush, and I think whenever we get late we use this hack, right? So next hack is applying lipstick as your eyeshadow, and I love this. I'm taking it on a blending brush and I'm going to blend it on my crease. On your eyes, you can also take a liquid lipstick and apply this as a winged eyeliner. I am using the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick right here. Next hack is applying a light shimmery or glittery shade from an eyeshadow palette as your highlighter. You can use it on your cheekbones, on your nose, also on the inner corner and also on the brow bone. Next hack is another favorite of mine, and that is applying little bit of concealer and fixing the eyeliner. It makes my eyeliner super sharp and I love the cleaner look. Next hack is applying little bit of powder on your eyelashes before applying the mascara, and this is the first time I tried this hack, and honestly I am blown away because it made my lashes look very voluminous and also longer. You can also apply the concealer to clean the lipstick from the edges and it will look more clean and sharp. So lastly, hack number 11, that is absolute favorite and I think I use it every single day, and that is changing a creamy lipstick to a matte one by applying powder or the same color of eyeshadow on the lips. So guys, this is the final look using all the 11 hacks, but there are few more, but if you want to know all those, give this video a big thumbs up, and also coming to the giveaway, you have to follow all the rules. I will mention it down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. I am also going to mention the product details down in the description box below, so give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and also comment down below happy birthday to me. Okay, just kidding. Comment down below whatever you like, and thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.